way to where up this name again? Oak Road? No, this is Oak Road. Batman Museum.
So if nobody's behind.
So this morning we're on the way to Ligani. We're gonna look for our good friend Jacqui, and she'll be taking us to lunch at this awesome restaurant called Just Salad. Yes, it's one of our favorite hangout spots, and I hear it's on Phoenix Avenue. So knowing Jacqui, it's a great place, so we're gonna check it out. Outdoor dining, we're gonna have lunch, and like the name said, Just Salad. So make we go eat some salad. Food place. We're going at a place named Just Salad. You can know what I want, you see. Cream of pumpkin soup.
It's here? Yeah. I don't think it's, or I don't know. Somebody tell me that. So, I actually, Hello.
Yeah, cool. And remember now, Jacqui from, yes, our Chinatown New Asia vlog. Yes, she's regular with the vlogging now. She's, on the road with us. And, alright, so that's the fish. Yeah, we got the fish here. And Joshua got the chicken salad. And as the place is called Just Salad. This is what we're doing. As I said before, I love the outdoor environment, the ambience and ting. So when you're in Oak Road region of Kingston, you have to come check out Just Salad. I like them presentations. Phoenix Avenue. And you have to find it because you have a parking on one parking lot and then walk to one place and then come around and then when you reach home.
I just did that, but...
Oh, you have one front entrance.
Yeah.
Oh.
Shortcut.
Oh, we take shortcut.
If you want to advertise it, you would actually come to the entrance where Spaces is.
Okay, where Space is there. And thing. And then I play some nice Christmas music and stuff. So, hey, me telling you how the food tastes. It looks tremendous. I love the presentation. Yeah? I might get coconut water. Them get dew plum and sorry over this. So let's get this going. Food time. Eating, eating. Lord, thank you for providing, Lord God. We pray for health, strength, and Lord God, just continue to give us long life and health. Father, bless Jacqui and her family, Lord, as we meet up and greet up and join up and everything. Bless the cook no matter how them look. In Jesus' name, amen.
Amen.
Bless the cook no matter how they look.
Don't eat that.
This is fish salad, or some salad with fish.
So we're at Just Salad and obviously outside dining in Jamaica with Jacqui. Say hello. Oh, we have fun and everything, but otherwise from that little 1-2 fly them, everything was great. Excuse the fly them, man, because them never turn on the fan by our table, and so we had the whole heap of flies. Joshua started out not wanting no soup, and then look there. We were joined by a couple of Jacqui's friends, and here we are just posing for the camera. Say cheese! Boy, cheesy bad. Yes, so Just Salad was good. Was nice. It was fun. Now we're taking photos. Nice.
Oh, let me go around here, guys. I still come back up.
So the food was very, very good. Very nice. I got you, girl. So we're entering to a little place called Spaces now. Over there is called Panda Grill. Yeah, so we're going into Spaces. Nice decor. These are nice little quaint places where you can pick up little stuff, you know, for your home. Spaces. This is nice. I like this one. See? Our family. We are family. It's like, let me tell you, it's like a little like home goods type of vibe where you get a little accessories then. Don't see? Like this is like a home goods type of vibe, right?
Yeah.
So Spaces on Phoenix Avenue. Let me just show a shot of the. So we were just there, just salad. The food was good. I like the windows. You could see outside. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, Spaces. Where did they go? Now we're in Etal.
This is the E.
Yeah, Etal.
You said
Open. Right here, someone make a mistake. The word is Etal. Yes, Etal. And obviously, this is like the Japanese. We have African, Afrocentric with beautiful artwork. These are nice wide array of African garments and beautiful artwork. Beautiful artwork. Let me go wide so you can get a full view. And that's Etal. Yeah, African prints. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, and Jamaican artwork. Look at this one, Josh. This is so cool. Look at this. So nice. So good. Look at this one right here. Awesome. That's Etal, guys. It's abstract. It's an abstract artwork. For the last time, Etal. Etal. Nah, it's abstract.
you don't know Bob Marley. What's good?
Flash your day.
You'll be alright.
We're jamming.
Dance.
Yes, we're jamming.
Not the white man's there.
Not a white man. Jamming, guys. Hope you like jamming too. Woo! It's not in the real life, yeah. No fake, so much fake.
I'm in
Etal store.
Etal. All right. And what really do you carry? Like, you know, what type of
We
food?
carry Afrocentric clothing.
Afrocentric clothing.
So all of our clothing is made in Nigeria.
Okay.
But the fabrics are sourced all over Africa.
Okay.
And we have a lot of jewelry pieces as well, which are sourced in Africa. Some in Southeast Asia and the Americas.
And where are you located?
Where we're located? We're located at 9011 Phoenix Avenue.
Okay.
Shop 6, Jamaica.
All right.
Kingston, Jamaica.
And your prices are very competitive, nice.
Yeah, they're reasonable.
Okay.
Reasonable prices.
Now I'm looking around and I'm seeing a lot of also paintings, artwork, you know, as well as the jewelry.
Are also done by African artists.
Okay. Some of them look Jamaican though, you know.
No.
Now, do you have clothes like these for guys? Suppose I wanted something.
Until February.
Oh, so February of the men's line.
Is coming out in February, as well as more female stuff.
And you're open until what time? Till what time?
We're open from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Okay, so hear that now? When you come to Jamaica,
Monday to Saturday.
Etal, Phoenix Avenue. Come round here and buy up the something. Cause round here nice and so.
Very nice too. This is what I'm getting.
See there? It look good. That look very nice, and you get that little African flair with the nice jeansy. You know, if you over Africanize it, you know, it show your heritage. But
I was showing it to you the wrong way. This is actually the front.
okay.
The button goes to the front. Wow, this is like hot. So
This is why I'm hot.
This is why I'm hot. And I must tell you, actually the prices are like great.
Yes.
Well, how much you think something like this would go for? $1 million. How much you think something like this would go for? In US.
Yeah, maybe say $30,
Because just saw the price, lawyer.
Just right, you too lying wicked. You see price?
But this is actually going for $5,000.
That's a good price.
This is excellent price.
Yeah,
Excellent
'cause,
price. And
you know.
No tax. We just have to give Mr. Shaw his
But
bit of it.
considering that the materials are sourced in
Exactly.
Africa,
And look
the
at this.
designer is from Africa, you know, I mean.
Because if you're supposed to get all of this fabric making a blouse, you know you can't pay for it.
True. Me could get that pants in that color, the nice-ish. So, oh, you sell the fabric as well. Come here, I have one little dressmaker down at Edley Avenue, you know. May I come buy the fabric and work it. So once again, guys, this is Etal, all right?
So we're on day 4, and today was pretty hectic but pretty fun. We linked up with a friend and did lunch at this awesome place called Just Salad. And as you can hear, I've lost my voice because it feels as if I'm coming down with something.
You know who she come down with? She come down with me and Joshua. No, she come down with
The
something.
sun not making us be great. So yeah, so we're just heading home now. To spin around and to hit the road again. Because another set of friends invited us somewhere else. And we will be sure to show you footage of that also. Alright? Anywhere?
Right.
Right. In the back is not feeling well either. No.
Josh, I'm so.
And he's having withdrawal because of the lack of internet website. So, yeah.
Maybe we could